Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting upcoming drones, the DJI Avata 360. New leaks, new images, and new insider information are here. And this drone is going to completely change the FPV and 360 camera world. So let's break down the release date, features, and the big benefits. DJI has not officially confirmed the Avata 360 yet, but multiple leaks show that the drone is expected to launch in 2025. Some insiders claim it may release before January 2026, and one store leak from Brazil even mentioned November 13, 2025 as the release date. So overall, the DJI Avata 360 is definitely coming, and it's coming. Soon, the Avata 360 will be a lightweight, 360-degree drone, possibly under 250 grams. The leaked photos show a compact body, dual wide-angle lenses, and a new sensor setup that looks futuristic and clean. Now let's talk about the main highlight of this drone, the 360-degree camera system. Leaked images and reports suggest dual-lens 360 camera, possible 8K 360 video recording. New sensor technology borrowed from the DJI Osmo 360 camera. Ability to switch between single lens mode and full 360 mode. Full viewpoint control, meaning you can change angles in editing. This makes the Avata 360 perfect for content creators, filmmakers, travelers, and FPV lovers. 4. Sensors and safety. The leaks also show multiple front and side sensors. These may include LiDAR-based obstacle sensing, all-direction detection, advanced subject tracking. This means safer flights, better tracking shots, and fewer crashes, great for both beginners and pros. 5. Transmission and controllers. DJI may include its latest accusing 4.0 transmission system, giving you better range and lower latency. The Avata 360 is expected to support DJI goggles, possibly goggles, and 3. DJI Motion Controller 3. Standard DJI controllers. This will make FPV flights smoother and more immersive. Price. Leaks suggest the DJI Avata 360 might cost around $1,099, but this is not final. Unlike most standard camera drones that only point forward, the Avata 360 is expected to have dual lenses and full 360 video capture. This means content creators can capture everything and decide framing after the flight. Great for immersive video, VR, or creative reframing. 2. Rotating camera, lens protection design. Leaks suggest that one of the lenses can rotate to hide during landing instead of using traditional landing legs. Benefit: fewer mechanical parts to break and better protection for the camera while keeping the design lightweight. 3. Lightweight design. It's rumored to be under 250 grams. Being lightweight allows more freedom in where you can fly. Regulations are often easier for lighter drones and makes the drone more portable. 4. Advanced imaging based on DJI Osmo 360 tech. The Avata 360 likely leverages imaging tech from DJI's Osmo 360 camera like large sensors. Immersive FPV-style footage. The Avata is designed for FPV-style flying first-person view, which means you can create really dynamic, cinematic, and engaging aerial footage. This kind of footage is very compelling for viewers if your YouTube channel is about travel, adventure, action sports, real estate, or even creative storytelling. Using FPV gives you a very different visual style. 2. High-quality stabilized video. The Avata's camera uses a 1.7 cm sensor and can shoot 4K at up to 60 FPS and 2.7K at really high frame rates, for example, 120 FPS depending on settings. It has rock-steady plus horizon-steady electronic image stabilization, which helps keep your shots smooth and level, even when doing aggressive flying. For YouTube, that means less shakiness, more professional-looking aerial sequences, and more flexibility in post-production. 3. Creative flight modes. There are different speed flying modes, Normal N, Sport S, and Manual M. So you can choose based on your filming needs or your piloting comfort. Turtle mode. If the drone flips upside down, it can flip itself back upright and take off again. These modes let you do both smooth. Cinematic shots for B-roll and more aggressive. Action flight for dynamic sequences. 4. Safety features. Propeller guards make it safer to fly close to people or structures. Downward obstacle sensing helps with indoor or low-altitude flying. Emergency brake and hover. You can stop and hold position instantly. Return to home RTH for failsafe. These safety features reduce risk during creative shots, especially for complicated or close quarters flying. 5. Good onboard storage. Has 20 gigabytes of internal storage. So even if you don't have a microSD card, you can still record. That's helpful for spontaneous shoots where you might not want to rely solely on an external card. 6. Immersive control experience. With DJI Goggles Plus Motion Controller, you get a very intuitive and immersive way to pilot. For content creators, being in the pilot's seat can give you more natural, creative flight paths, especially if you're trying to film POV style or narrative-driven aerials. 7. Color grading flexibility. The Avata supports Decine-alike color mode, which gives you a flatter profile, ideal for color grading and cinematic post-production. This is very useful for YouTube. You can stylize your footage, match it to your branding, or make dramatic or consistent visuals across episodes. 8. Low weight and maneuverability. The compact, ducted design sign hoop style makes it easy to fly in tight spaces, indoors, or through obstacles. It's less cumbersome than large camera drones, so you can use it for B-roll, action sequences, or places where bigger drones struggle. FPV, cinematic drone content, is still relatively novel for many creators. Using Avata or especially a future 360 drone gives you a visual edge, content that's immersive and eye-catching.